Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will learn different possibilities to combine data. Similarly, 3 different ways to segregate data. First, we need to learn how to combine data. We have first name column and second name column. First, we use equals to concatenate formula. We select first name cell. For space, we use here sign. Now, select second cell for last name. Now drag down formula to apply below. Here we use simply equals to sign. Select first name cell. Use here and sign. Again sign for spacing. After and sign, select last name cell. Now drop down formula to apply below. Here, we use new formula equals to TEXTJOIN. For first instruction, use comma and then 1. Now, select first cell. For spacing, use sign. Now, select last name cell. Now drag down formula. Now change alignment to center. You can test formula by changing text. It shows on each cell. Now, we move to our segregate task. Here, we have full name column. Here, we write first word manually. Now, we write here second name manually. After completing, we only need to use shortcut key. We write here, Ctrl and E. Now, we move to our second method. We use here equals to TextSplit formula. For text, select name cell. Now we only need to use space sign. Now drag down formula to apply below. Now, we move to our third method to segregate. First, we select name column. Now, go on Data tab option. Click on Text to Column option. You can reflection. Now, we need to mark space for segregation. Here, we need to change destination. You can write manually. This is how we have completed third method. And this is how you can combine or segregate data.